Introducing the Winmate Multi-Touch Panel Mount Display W14L100-EHA1. The all-new display is a rugged, high-performance display designed for industrial automation, manufacturing, and outdoor applications. Combining advanced display technology, durable construction, and user-friendly features, it ensures optimal performance in demanding environments. The W14L100-EHA1 boasts a 14-inch high-resolution PCAP touch display. Built for industrial-grade durability, it features an IP65 rated front, offering resistance to dust and water. With an operating temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, it performs reliably in extreme conditions. The display supports both panel and VESA mounts, providing flexible installation for various industrial settings. This display delivers sharp, high-resolution visuals with vivid colors, ensuring accuracy in industrial applications. Its wide color range and excellent readability in challenging lighting make it perfect for monitoring systems and control panels. The responsive multi-touch functionality supports a variety of gestures, enabling smooth, intuitive interactions. It also allows simultaneous inputs from multiple users, ideal for collaborative environments. The W14L100-EHA1 is designed for low power consumption, making it cost-effective for continuous use in demanding settings. Its energy-efficient operation helps lower operational costs while maintaining top-notch performance. With panel and VESA compatibility, this display offers installation flexibility, making it suitable for industrial control systems, factory floors, and public kiosks. Its adaptable design fits a variety of mounting configurations. Winmate also offers customization options to tailor the display to specific industry needs. Combined with their long-term service and support, this ensures reliable performance across various applications. The W14L100-EHA1 excels in industrial automation as a robust control and monitoring interface, offering responsive multi-touch functionality and durability for fast-paced environments. In manufacturing, it ensures clear visibility and reliable performance in tough conditions, improving productivity. For outdoor kiosks, the sunlight-readable screen and IP65 rated front bezel make it ideal for ticketing, digital signage, and interactive experiences, providing clear visuals and durability against the elements. The Winmate Multi-Touch Panel Mount Display W14L100-EHA1 is a versatile, rugged solution for demanding industries. With energy efficiency, flexible mounting options, and a vibrant display, it is the ideal choice for professionals in automation, manufacturing, and self-service applications. If you have any questions or would like more information, please don't hesitate to reach out. Winmate is here to help you optimize your operations with this high-performance display.